Tony, it's flooded. It's flooded on 76 leading into north southbound 42. It's flooded all lanes. It's backed up from this area of 130 back to the Walt Whitman Bridge. You might want to even just consider the Commodore Barry. Take 95 all the way Commodore Barry. Wait till you see this flood that I got to go through. Oh my God. It's nothing but a river. A lake. Look at that. Look. Look at that. That is sickening. Absolutely sickening. Oh my God. Oh God, I hope I don't stall. Oh boy. Your car won't make it because you ride a low ride car.